Good morning, student. Student, exercise 11.3 continue. Question number 10. Find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of planes. Here planes are given in the vector form. R dot 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap equal to 7 and R vector dot 2i cap plus 5j cap plus 3k cap equal to 9 through the point 2, 1, 3. Student, we can write these equations into the Cartesian form. So it is R vector is xi plus yj plus zk dot 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap equal to 7. Then it is 2x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 7. Equation 1. Similarly, second equation is 2x plus 5y plus 3z equal to 9. Equation 2. Now, equation of the plane passing through the intersection of these two planes is P1 plus lambda times of P2 equal to 0. Therefore, it is 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 7 plus lambda times 2x plus 5y plus 3z minus 9 equal to 0. Or it is 2 plus 2 lambda into x plus 2 plus 5 lambda into y plus minus 3 plus 3 lambda into z minus 7 minus 9 lambda equal to 0. It is equation 3. Now this plane passes through the point 2, 1, 3. It passes through 2, 1, 3. Therefore, it is 2 plus 2 lambda into 2 plus 2 plus 5 lambda into 1 plus minus 3 plus 3 lambda into 3 minus 7 minus 9 lambda equal to 0. Now we have to solve it. It is 4 plus 4 lambda plus 2 plus 5 lambda minus 9 plus 9 lambda minus 7 minus 9 lambda equal to 0. Here this is cancelled out. So it is plus 4 minus 9 minus 7. It is 16 is minus 4 is minus 12. Minus 12 plus 2 is 10. 9, 4 lambda plus 5 lambda is 9 equal to 0. Then lambda equal to 10 by 9. Now the equation of required plane, it is 2 plus 2 into 10 upon 9 into x plus 2 plus 5 into 10 upon 9 into y plus minus 3 plus 3 into 10 upon 9 into z minus 7 minus 9 into 10 upon 9 equal to 0. Is cancelled. Then it is 18 plus 20, 38 upon 9x plus 18 plus 50 is 68 upon 9y is minus 27 plus 30 is 3 upon 9 into z minus 7 equal to 0. Or it is 38x plus 68y plus 3z minus 63 equal to 0. Which is the required equation of the plane. Or its vector form is r vector dot 38i cap 68j cap plus 3k cap equal to 63. It is the vector form. Student, now question number 11. Find the equation of the plane and through the line of intersection of planes. Here planes are given in the Cartesian form. X plus y plus z equal to 1 and 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 5, which is perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular plane is x minus y plus z equal to 0. So student, here equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of two planes is p1 plus lambda times of p2 equal to 0. Equation of the plane passes through the line of intersection of given planes is x plus y plus z minus 1 plus lambda times 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. And it is 1 plus 2 lambda into x plus 1 plus 3 lambda into y plus 1 plus 4 lambda into z minus 1 minus 5 lambda equal to 0. Let it is equation 1. Now, this plane 1 is perpendicular to third plane. So, this plane is perpendicular to the plane x minus y plus z equal to 0. Therefore, by the condition of perpendicularity, the condition of perpendicularity it is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. Therefore, it is 1 plus 2 lambda into 1 plus 1 plus 3 lambda into minus 1 plus 1 plus 4 lambda into 1 equal to 0. From this, we will get the equation of plane. So it is 1 plus 2 lambda minus 1 minus 3 lambda 1 plus 4 lambda equal to 0. Here it is cancelled out. From this we will get 3 lambda plus 1 equal to 0 or lambda equal to minus 1 upon 3. Now putting the value of lambda in equation 1, we will get the required equation of plane. Required plane. So it is 1 minus 2 upon 3 into x plus 1 minus 1 upon 3 into 3 y plus 1 minus 4 upon 3 into z minus 1 minus 5 into minus 1 upon 3 equal to 0. Or we will get 1 upon 3 x, it is plus 0 into y plus minus 1 upon 3 into z plus 5 upon 3 equal to 0. Dividing the whole equation by 3, we will get x minus z plus 5 equal to 0, which is required equation of plane.